This book is about helicopters. And this is a yellow helicopter which flies in the sky. And this book is about rescue helicopters that help people when they are injured or sick. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's time to help with our red helicopter. It flies real fast and high in the sky. Helicopters help people who are lost. They take care of hurt people. Helicopters fly like airplanes, but they use rotors to move up and down, and they can go sideways too. There's the rotor. There's another rotor, a little one and a big one, goes round in circles. Goes up in the air. A helicopter can land almost anywhere. Yeah, it can land on the grass. It can land at an airport. It can land on a ship. It could even land at somebody's house. It has wheels or parts called skids to help it land. These are wheels and these are skids. Someone is standing on the skid. Two people fly the helicopter. They sit in the front. 1, 2. And they're wearing earphones so they can hear. Other workers sit behind them. A worker uses a strong cable to lift someone into the cab. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Sometimes a person needs to lie down on a stretcher. That is a stretcher. The helicopter flies to the hospital. Then it goes back to its base. Oh, that person is not feeling well. The hospital will make them feel better. That's where doctors and nurses and other people work. Oh, look, there's an orange helicopter. Okay, we are ready to help again. Flying in the sky. Oh, here's parts of a helicopter. There's a tail rotor and a tail boom and the cab where people sit and the main rotor and the blades and skids like feet. Yeah. Cab, the part of the helicopter that holds people. Hospital, the place where doctors and nurses work to help people heal. Rotors, parts of a helicopter that move around to lift the vehicle in the air. And a stretcher, a special bed on wheels used in an ambulance or a helicopter. That was a good book about helicopters. I hope you learned a lot. I did.